Mehwish says, can you please explain the step-by-step process of how to make ghusl and how to make the quickest ghusl? Can we do quick ghusl if we want to purify ourselves from menses? The answer is yes. Ghusl is one, which is to intend to uplift the major ritual impurity by covering your whole body with water and turning the water in your mouth and rinsing your nose. So the Sunnah way is to first of all wash your hands 3 times, wash your private part, then wash your hand again with a detergent so that no najasa is there. Then perform wudu, normal wudu, with the exception of the feet, don't wash them. Then take 3 scoops of water and wash your hair thoroughly, reaching the scalp. Then pour water over your whole body, wash your feet, that's it. This is the Sunnah. The other way is just simply take a full shower that cleans your body with rinsing your mouth and nose.